Hi, welcome to another video using Gemini's new code executor. Here we have created a UI which you can easily implement when you build your own Saas application along similar lines. In case if you want to build a code execution environment to be created as a Saas application, here is an example of how you can build a UI around it. So we saw a command line version of similar code last week. So this is just an extension of it. Now here we have two tabs. In the paste code tab, you can paste your Python code. Welcome to Techie Talks AI. I'm Sri from Shogini. On this channel, we bring you hands-on demonstrations and insights into the latest tools and trends to help you get started with ease. Don't forget to subscribe and be a part of our journey into the future of technology. And that code gets displayed here as a code preview, nicely formatted, and when you click on execute code, it will use Gemini's new code executor API and we get the result here. Next thing is we will drag and drop a Python code. So same factorial code that we saw last week has been dragged and dropped here. And here is the code which you can preview. And let's click the code execute, which is using the Gemini code execution API. So here is the thing, 5 factorial, output is 120. We can change this 5 to say 15 factorial, which will be a very big number. Okay, so it has become 15. Let's execute this. Okay, so the number is very big. Factorial of 15 is this long number. So that is a tiny demo of how we can use Google Code Execution API, and let's have a look at the code. So here is the code. So this is just a simple Streamlit UI. We have utils py, which has got the execute code method. That is what we are calling here. Okay, this execute code passes the code to the utils. And there we are using Gemini 2.5-flash-preview May 20, released just few days back. So the model is defined here. Then the contents, where we are passing the code to be executed. In the generate content config, we are also enabling thinking. Here the chunks are collected, and once we get the full result, this returns. So that is a tiny utility function that is being called by the Streamlit application. Okay, so if you have any questions, please come via the comment section, and remember to like, share and subscribe, and we will also implement same thing in OpenAI. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.